The Windows Downloads folder is meant to be the hub for all of your downloaded files, but sometimes it can stop working. And if that also happens to you, here's how to fix it. Firstly, restarting the Windows Explorer process may do the fix. So just open the Task Manager, go to Processes tab, locate and click on Windows Explorer, then select Restart or End Task. But if that did not work, optimize the Downloads folder for general items. To do it, open File Explorer, right-click on the Downloads folder, click on Properties, switch to Customize tab, and under Customize this folder, select General Items. Then, click Apply, followed by OK. Additionally, configure File Explorer to display icons instead of thumbnails. To do it, just search for File Explorer options. Then under View tab, take the Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails checkbox. After that, hit Apply, followed by OK. Now another thing that you can do is to delete unwanted files from the Downloads folder, since having an excessive number of files in the Downloads folder can cause it to be stuck and not respond on your Windows computer. And that's how you can fix Downloads folder not responding in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.